Maggie and I are a little bit scarred. Have you ever seen a pig penis? It's like a corkscrew that comes out of their body, and it's extremely long, probably like, I mean, this was a small pig and it was like 10 or 11, almost a foot long, and it's like a corkscrew that comes out of their body. And the small male pig, Sanson, was trying to have sex with Valentine, the big husked male pig, and Valentine wasn't happy about it, but Sanson kept on going, and his penis was out and he was mounting him, but Valentine was trying to bite him. The whole thing was traumatic. If they had peaceful, happy sex, that would have been great. I would have given them their privacy. But yeah, we just watched for a while. It was and Burro was in there, so the dog was in there, and he wasn't too happy about it. You don't wake up to see that every morning, but it's a great day, and I'm tending to the garden, cleaning up the mulch, fixing drip lines, and just marveling at all of the beautiful corn that is popping up everywhere. I think we're gonna go dig some post holes and finish up this circular fence to block off all the critters. That's what, like, most of the work here on this farm has not actually been planting things, it's just preventing other animals from getting into our garden. Waya! Gotcha! Oh, it is a hot day. We're getting ready for Baja summers. It's so hot. I'm watering extra the corn and radish because I just planted a second round. These are my leftover frozen pupusas, and I heated them back up, and they're perfect. So if I make a bunch and freeze them, we can sell them. We're making some pineapple moonshine. Come on, drop it, messy girl. Drop it, you messy girl. What? I just helped Alejandro out setting up his Airbnb. We're almost ready. It's gonna be so awesome when they can Airbnb their house. They didn't even know that was a thing. Come on, you messy little thing. I'm gonna start chasing you. I'm gonna start chasing you. You don't give me a stick, I'm running for you. All right? How do you think those pigs feel? How do you think those pigs feel being chased? This is how they feel. Huh? Be a good vegan dog, Maggie. Don't chase those pigs so much. Oh, another night in the mountains, my friends. Another night exhausted. Another night blissed out. Trino had to talk with me today that I've been filming him too much, so I thought I was getting progress with them getting comfortable in the vlog, and then boom, it crashed and burned. I don't know what to do about this. So I want him in the vlog, Maggie. It's finding it hard to vlog here. So many secret places, but there's so many great opportunities. We'll see if it means I need to head out of here. Adios, Alejandro. Alejandro's heading back home. He's almost set up for Airbnb. Hola, hola, señor. Hola, señor. Sí. Yeah. You like those scratches? You like the scratches? You like the scratches? Yeah, that feels good. That feels good on your head. And we found your ball again. About 2 days ago, I threw it in there and Maggie could not find it. And we got it. I'm so proud of you. Dinner time, lentils with homemade salsa and banana, corn, and flour tortillas. I'm taking the night, just us two, to cuddle and eat dinner in my house. I just needed some me time. Not in a fight with Trino or Albert or anything. I just like, whoa, I was cooking dinner in that kitchen. I was like, I need some time for me to eat dinner, maybe watch some YouTube, which I don't do much these days because I'm working on a farm and trying to daily vlog and managing relationships, and Maggie tries to eat everyone's food, and sometimes some of the dogs fight and I gotta protect. I have many responsibilities, but it's a good experience. And I know the moment that I get back on the bike and I'm free and I'm alone, just Maggie and I, it's gonna be like, whoa, remember that whole experience. The grass is always greener on the other side. Life is a process of burping, eating food, and then figuring out how to be present and grateful in the moment while also acknowledging that life is always going to seem better in some other situation. You know that phrase, like, back to the good old days? There was no such thing as the good old days. Life is always best in the present moment, and it's all we have. It's an illusion to think that it's going to get any better if you change locations, if you get out of a relationship, it's a different time of the year. True happiness comes from within. We know that. So whenever you pull a geographic and just say, oh, once I go someplace else, things will get better, you know that's your mind playing tricks with you. The best moment you've ever been is where you are right now, and it's up to you to change that perception of how you feel about yourself right now. Because you always have your body and your mind and your heart, that's all you need, and that's why you're here. That's why we love you, is because you're unique in those ways. Your mind, your heart, and your body. It's different. Only you have it, and that's why we love you, and you're enough. Okay? So I hope you have that attitude of gratitude, and life is a lot better lived when you feel that in every moment. So if things are good, I just need some time to breathe. Tomorrow's Sunday, the Lord's Day. Maybe I will rest. Much love. Dream Extreme.